Hi guys, I'm Vagisha and today I'm at Chalet's Naldera. Naldera is a small hamlet a little beyond Shimla and it is absolutely beautiful. This property is unbelievable. It's made of wood. They have a revolving restaurant, they have a pool, they have such amazing rooms, and the best part is that each cottage, each room is in the middle of nature. You step out and you step right into the forest. It's a perfect getaway for nature lovers and for people who look for a retreat that's completely different.
Safety of everyone is ensured at Chalet's Naldera, which is why the first thing that I did upon entering was to sanitize myself and get my temperature checked. Once the formalities were complete, I proceeded to check out the gift shop where you can shop for some antique goodies and anything that you like.
The chalets Naldera have three categories of rooms for those looking for double occupancy. They have the deluxe rooms, the apartments which have a room plus a living area, and then they have the cottages which are good enough for a family of two adults and two kids with two floors inside the room. They have these cottages have two bathrooms also, they have balconies also, and they are super cozy. They have a small kitchenette and a living area also. I'm going to show you all three categories of rooms, so just keep watching.
This is the basic room, which is the deluxe room. It has a double bed, attached washroom, and a cute little balcony which overlooks the lovely woods beyond. If you'd like to have a little more space to yourself, then you can choose the one bedroom apartment. This one comes with a huge living area, a cozy little fireplace, a small little kitchenette, and of course a private lawn outside along with a balcony, and of course a double bed inside along with a washroom. If you're traveling with friends or family, then you can choose the two bedroom apartment. This one, of course, has a larger living area with a small dining table, proper kitchenette, and fireplace, lovely views on all the sides, and two independent bedrooms with attached washrooms. Oh, and don't miss that private lawn. This 3 bedroom bungalow is great if you're traveling in a larger group. It comes with a living area with its own dining area, and then on this floor is this master bedroom which has an attached washroom and a dressing area as well. The room opens into a private lawn, which is a great place to enjoy bonfires or just enjoy your morning tea or simply enjoy the stargazing. Stepping down, there is another floor below which has two more bedrooms. Now, here is the magic of this property. Both of these bedrooms also have access to private lawn, and of course they are huge, spacious, and have attached washrooms as well. What can get better than this?
Now let me show you this lovely bungalow. This is a 4 bedroom bungalow and it has rooms on 3 different levels. So there is a room on this level, there is one room on the level above, and then there are 2 rooms on the level below, and they are all connected by that lovely wooden spiral staircase. And the best part is that all of these rooms have access to the lawns, all of these rooms have lovely views, and all of them are absolutely comfortable.
Let's take a look at this 4-bedroom bungalow now. It has one room on this floor, which obviously has its own washroom and its own private lawn. And then there is this living area with the dining area, a lounge area, and then you can climb up on these stairs. And then there is another room upstairs, which also has access to a lawn and also has a washroom. And then you can climb all the way down, and on the bottomest floor, the bottomest level, which actually has 2 rooms, and these rooms also have access to a private lawn. Just take a look. Yep, this is the private lawn. These are the 2 rooms. Look how spacious they are, and obviously they have attached washrooms, bathrooms, and you can step out into the lawn, look directly at the views, and or you could just stay in your room, or you could just enjoy the view right from your bed, because that's what you can also do at Chalets Naldera. Now let's take a look at this premium cottage. This one is perfect for a family of 2 adults and 2 kids. Look at how spacious this bedroom is, and look at the gorgeous views from every angle in this cottage. It has a living area, a tiny dining table, and these lovely stairs which you can climb to move up to 2nd floor, where there is another washroom, a small living area again, and another special bedroom which is perfect for the kids. Now that you've seen all the categories of the rooms, let me give you a disclaimer. Chalets Naldera is not the kind of property to spend your time indoors. This is a property that's perfect for the outdoor life. This is the property for bird watching. This is the property for stargazing and enjoying nature. This is the property to spend your time out here in the lovely spacious lawns and bask in the winter sun or in the summer sunshine.
The Chalets Naldera is a very unique property. It is made with a view to give you complete access to nature and wildlife. Right behind me is a nature walk which has direct access to my room. You could literally just step out into the garden and step into the woods. This is so beautiful, and it is a complete delight for a nature lover. The year 2020 has changed our lives in so many ways, and one thing that it has taught me personally, that being close to nature and respecting nature is something that we all must do. We cannot go on living in our urban jungles and live that life that takes us nowhere, which is why I visited this place, Chalets Naldera, to lose myself and in the same process find myself. The Chalets Naldera is a lovely boutique property that is built in layers, step by step. Each cottage is on a different step, so the whole property is basically from top to bottom instead of being from left to right. It's a very unique concept because then each cottage gets its own share of the forest, and each cottage is extremely private, extremely independent, and yet very cozy. And on one side of this property are the gorgeous valley views in front of me, and behind me, the other side of the property, are these dense green jungles. You are surrounded absolutely by nature and gorgeous views. The Chalets Naldera is also a lovely place to host a conference. Let me take you through the Curzons Council conference room. And with a conference room this great, who would not like to attend a conference here?
Look at this bright and cheerful play area, a perfect place to wind down after a long day. You could just sit here with a book and enjoy yourself, or you can just play carom. You can also play board games. You can also play pool or billiards with your friends, or if you enjoy it and fancy it, then you can also take your chance at a game of table tennis. One of my favorite locations in the Chalet's Naldera is the swimming pool, which doubles up as a sunroom because of the glass roof and the glass windows on all of the sides. Look at these lounge chairs lounging away in the beautiful filtered sunlight, and look at this lovely blue pool. I am in awe of how beautiful this place is. There is also a tiny kids pool, and by the way, there is also a bar that's attached to the swimming pool for those who fancy having a drink while swimming. Sadly, we couldn't enjoy any of that because of government guidelines, but I can't wait to come back and enjoy the pool and the spa at Chalet's Naldera once the government allows all of these services to reopen.
Now let me show you the surprise element at Chalet's Naldera. They have a revolving restaurant which is called 360 Degrees Top of the World. So this is the speciality of Chalet's Naldera, a 360 degrees revolving restaurant right at the top of the resort. This place is literally unbelievable. This little restaurant, as you can see, is a revolving restaurant, and it has glass windows on all the sides, which means that wherever you sit, you keep getting lovely views on and on non-stop.
The property is lit up beautifully and looks magical even at night. It feels like living inside an enchanted forest. What better than a nice warm bonfire to warm yourself up on a cold, chilly night? Time to wrap up the day with a scrumptious dinner at this restaurant served by the very hospitable and very kind staff. A sparkling morning at Chalet's Naldera, and I am heading to the buffet breakfast in my PJs. This is the sunny and the very spacious restaurant where you can have buffet meals or a la carte, and it is attached to this very vibrant and very beautiful lounge area where you can click some great pictures because of the natural sunlight and the bright colors. It is also attached to a small garden outside, and you can just lounge here and spend lovely time here looking outside.
even though every part of the Chalets Naldera is special, but my favorite area has to be this greenhouse where they are growing a lot of small saplings, and there is greenery, there is growth, there is the prosperity that nature shows us all around, not just here but all over the resort. I just love this place. The Chalets Naldera is no short of an architectural wonder. It is a resort that is on several layers, on several floors. And what's an amazing thing here is this little tunnel that actually connects one part of the property to another. Come on, let's go through this. Look at the view, guys. Isn't this amazing? So guys, thank you for watching my video. I've had a lovely stay at Chalets Naldera and now I am checking out. I've loved my stay here. I've loved my cottage with comfortable rooms, great food, the sound of birds chirping in my ear all day long, and playful monkeys all around the resort jumping around these huge trees. It has been truly magical. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you liked it. Do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you like. Bye bye and take care.